Look at it go, green, Cole Shaw from St. Peter's, Missouri, Kevin Blue Lightning. Heck yeah, getting your Blue Lightning down there.